Come run 100 kilometers from London to Brighton with me. This is my first ultra marathon. Watch till the end to see if I made it.
Let's go! 1 kilometer, 99 to go. 5 kilometers, 95 to go. 10 kilometers, 90 to go. It's 20 kilometers now, 80 kilometers to go. I have to walk because it's going up. It's 21 kilometers now. We have completed half a marathon. So far it's been uphill. I think we're still in London. Average pace is 5:57. I'm running for 2 hours now. Let's go. I had my donut, my Pepsi, crisp. 29 kilometers now, 71 to go. It's 35 kilometers now and we are going downhill. I can't control my pace because look at the view. It's just sad that there's no sun today, but at least not raining. I'm soaking wet because of my sweat. 52 kilometers now, the longest run that I've ever done. 57 kilometers now. Oh my god, I'm dying. I had my lunch, a quick lunch. We have 42 kilometers to go. We have a marathon to finish. It's currently 2:33 in the afternoon. 60 kilometers now. 40 kilometers to go. 67 kilometers now. It's 77 kilometers now. I thought we're near the aid station now, but I'm wrong. I'm not sure where the aid station is. I hope it's not at 80. Look at the view. 85 kilometers now. 15 to go. 89 kilometers now. Look how steep. I'm so tired. Putang ina. It's so steep, look. I'm so tired. 95 kilometers now. My average pace is 7:56. It's 7:45 now. Another steep climb. 99 kilometers. 1 kilometer to go. Let's do this. That's done. London to Brighton. Well done.